The National Energy Efficiency Network, or NEEN for short, launched in Melbourne at the Catholic Leadership Centre on the 9th of May. With funding from the Department of Industry, NEEN provides seminars, workshops and networking opportunities to faith-based and not-for-profit community organisations to reduce their energy consumption, expenditure and emissions. National Manager Gareth Johnson said NEEN would help faith-based organisations protect the environment.
NEEN is a project funded by the Commonwealth Department of Industry, implemented through Catholic Earth Care, an agency of the Catholic Church, and supported by the Uniting Church. Our goal is to bring faith and not-for-profit communities together and enable them to better manage their energy future. Pretty much every faith that I've interacted with comes to creation with one view, and that our role as humankind is to protect that creation and from a sustainability perspective leave something for those who don't have a voice or don't have a choice, the children and those coming after us. So our work is focused predominantly on an energy efficiency frame through which people can start to engage with broader creation issues. I guess we try to uncover some of the easy wins for people, so how can parishes start to take control of their energy futures, but also recognise some of the barriers, and through the community model talk to each other and share stories so that things become easier and we can actually make deeper changes to that energy use.
Regional leader Michael Huang said parishes' involvement in NEEN would have wide-ranging benefits for society at large.
So we'll start that today by launching NEEN, which is basically inviting various different organisational groups, executive officers through to the common volunteer to look at learning what resources can be available. And so we've just displayed a couple of resources such as fact sheets, case studies, 14 across Australia in the various sectors of church, religious orders, childcare centres, aged care, healthcare, community centres, youth and rec centres. And the idea basically now from there is that this is the starting point. And what I'm going to be doing now is creating those communities of practice where everybody across Victoria, across Hobart, Tasmania, which is what I service, to talk. What have they been able to do from an energy efficiency perspective? We want to engage and transform as many organisations to be great environmental stewards of the planet and really be conscious of the fact that we can make a difference and we can incorporate it as part of our day-to-day operation. NEEN is all about, I suppose, us being able to actually work together and collaborate and know that you're not alone. You don't have to worry about the fact that, gee, I'm just in a little office, I'm just working as a volunteer, the church minister is too busy, the support agencies are right, I'm just left here. No, everybody can take action, and I suppose what NEEN represents is that there are simple steps that can obviously be done. Jumping on our website, dropping me an email, doing a telephone call, having a casual conversation. And from there, being able to introduce you to the communities of practices, other church groups, other religious orders, other schools, aged care facilities. How can we look at starting that network so you're not solid and feel, I don't have time, I don't have personnel, I don't have financial resources. The idea potentially is that being able to work together across the suburb, across the state, across the nation, we're going to be able to support each other, mentor each other, coach each other, peer-to-peer support from the community, from the regional leaders and also from the NEEN resources as well.
Anglican Media, Melbourne.